big stage. I got my crew, I'll get you moving. It's what I do. The party's starting, it's going down. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up, yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up, yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up, yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Hi. Yan ang una kong chat sa'yo.
Wait lang po, na-pressure ako.
Anong feeling mo ngayon? Ano, kinakabahan na excited? Gusto ko na makita yung asawa ko. Ala pa pala! Si Matthew kasi, ano siya, unang-una sa lahat, mahaba ang pasensya niya, mapagmahal, maintindihin, and lagi niya akong pinapasaya.
Si ano Jay, isang ano yan, maganda yan, sobrang ganda. Na hindi niya inaantulad yung sarili niya sa iba. May sarili siyang gandang bukod tanging nakikita ko.
Gusto niya, lagi lang ako nakatawa, and kapag sinusumpong ako, lagi siyang nandyan to comfort me. So, for me, Matthew is the best husband para sa akin na ibinigay talaga ni Lord.
Hello.
Gift from Joy.
Dear husband, as you open this gift, I hope it reminds you that every second with you is the most precious gift of my life. Time has brought us together, shaped our journey, and now leads us to a future I cannot wait to share with you. Kung ano ang kayang ibigay nito sa'yo, yun din ang ibibigay ko. I love you, husband. See you later. Speechless lang ako.
Aalagaan kita at lulutuan ng masasarap na ulam. Tulad ng adobo, sinigang, giniling. Ilang kasi alam ko lutuin, pili ka na.
Uy, ano yan?
Galing Matthew sa ito eh.
Wow, thank you. My dear Anna Joy, may this bangle gives you a strength and happiness in a moments of joy. Simbolo ito ng pagmamahal ko sa iyo at sukli mo lang ito sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga na binibigay mo sa akin. Wishing you a lifetime of joy and togetherness. With love, Matthew.
Pagluluto rin kita. Ipagpa-plancha kita ng damit mo. Pero hindi ko mapapangako na hindi ako totopakin.
Anong kwanda-kwanda?
Congrats, brother. Best ko sa'yo, yung mahalin mo yung pamilya mo, yung asawa mo. Huwag kang maging mahihain maglinis. Magluto.
Ako nagluluto lagi.
Congrats, ha.
Thank you.
Best wishes sa inyo.
Salamat, salamat.
Just another mystery I didn't understand.
Yes.
Was living without it so long that I didn't even feel.
Laki talaga. Wala pa, mama naiiyak na.
I love you so much, anak. You're so beautiful.
I love you too.
I love you. And I want to, ipabaon sa iyo yung, mga salitang babaunin mo sa marriage mo yung faith, hope, and love. And let God be the center of your marriage. Okay? I love you.
Love you.
Kaya nga.
Di ba, kitang-kita pala yun.
Hi, Kim!
Hello. Ikaw mo naiiyak, ha?
Congratulations!
Thank you, ma'am. Iyak ka agad? Salita ka muna.
Ano ba? Congratulations, syempre. And then, ano ba? Loving, you know? Love. Spread love. Alam mo yan. Kaya natin yan. Kaya mo yan. And then, good advice is, God is love. Love, love, love. Ano pa?
Naiyak ako ba eh.
Congratulations sa new journey in life. Magka, na ng family, diba? And for sure, Papa Orly is also happy. Love you.
Love you too.
Alam, meron pa na rin.
So, hello? Gusto ko lang maging natural sa akin. Kasi lumaki ako na kasama ko tong kapatid ko. And this is the special day na ikakasal na siya.
Ay, ato close.
So, isa sa pangarap niya kasi is magkasama-sama kaming pamilya. Na kahit kumain man lang kami na sabay-sabay pero hindi umabot ang aming papa. So, ngayon meron ako isang simpleng regalo sa iyo. Sana dalhin mo habang ikay naglalakad sa aisles. Isa simpleng regalo lang ito na namin mag-asawa. And I hope na maalala mo si Papa. So, ito, bibigay ko sa'yo bilang isang simbolo na habang naglalakad ka, maramdaman mo na kasama mo man lang si Papa. Nabuo tayo. Buo ang pamilya natin. So, ito, gusto ko kahit ilagay mo lang sa bouquet mo habang naglalakad ka, mamaya kasama siya para pagdating mo sa altar, nandun pa rin siya. Buo pa rin tayo. So, ayun lang. Dalhin mo ito mamaya para sa bouquet mo. I love you.
I love
Congrats.
you too. Thank you.
Anna Joy, do you take Matthew to be your lawfully wedded husband, to live together in marriage? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and keep him in sickness and in health, for richer or poorer, for better or worse, forsaking all others, and be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Amen. Now, Matthew, it's your turn. Do you, Matthew, take Anna Joy to be your lawfully wedded wife, to live together in marriage? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and keep her in sickness and in health, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
That you are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Looking back on my life, you're the only good I've ever done. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone. Not anyone. Forever's not enough time to love you the way that I want. 'Cause every morning I find you.
Thank you. Thank you for loving me, choosing me in every circumstances. I vow to love you, to keep you, and tandaan mo na nandito ako para tulungan ka palagi.
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na ikaw lang aking mamahalin habang buhay. Ikaw ang pinakamahalagang bahagi ng buhay ko. At habang magkasama tayo, palagi kitang pipiliin at pahalagaan. Because you're my greatest gift, my greatest love, and my greatest joy. I love you, Anna Joy Villanueva Francisco.
Looking back on my life, you're the only good I've ever done.